The hotness will be making the punana to be shrinking. Our mothers do it to making the punana to be shrinking, So you sit on it maybe 30 minutes every day. So women do it for the first 1 month when they give birth, and you notice that the thing will shrink back. But if you leave your own to just become goalpost, to why?
I'm sick, sir, on this, sir. Unpredictable moves.
Hey, are the cash cruise correct? Hey, no disconnect. Hey, would the cash cruise forget? See here today. Hey. I'm waiting with that music again. Over December, all the way go. Over December, all the way go. This video is for the Pepper Dem gang. It's for the married women and those that intend to catch husbands this December. See, no slacking, no joking. This video is for you. See, you know, some people can meet you in 3 days time they will marry, especially my Igbo brothers and people from South. And you know, guys are coming from Yankee this December. Don't come and carry last. I am begging you, when I'm here for you, you cannot carry last. See, this December you must marry. So today I'm going to teach you things that when you do it, your punana, your VGG will be tight. To be tight, to not be open. Apua. No, London Bridge cannot fall. You understand? So this is the video I'm doing today. So if you are new to my channel or if you are just seeing this face for the first time, my name is Patt Eyaba. I'm a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. I'm a lifestyle blogger. I talk about everything of interest to you and to me. So let's get right into the video. You know, things happen, natural things, and other things that will make your down below to be wide. No, naturally it's supposed to be tight, so that when the cucumber, oh God, Pat, who spoil me? So what I'm saying in essence is how to make it to be tight. Let me remove this rubber band. Let me not think that is another thing. You know, when a woman gives birth, natural birth now, that place will be open. It will be, you know, it's elastic. Maybe it's like this before. When you give birth, it will not be like this. So you need to make it, you need to come back, you need to shrink back. But since it's childbirth and that thing, and some people's own, it's really elasticated. What language will I use now, please? When I'm editing, I'll put the language. Some people are really open, and it's not easy to come back because some people get tear during childbirth and all that. And that place needs to come back because it's a ministry. That place is local government and it has to continue. So there are things you do. There are things you do to make it come back. Because the man cannot be swimming now, you know. There's no side for side chick this year. I'm not even talking about side chick. See, for girls that want to go back, see, you need to go and know. You know, my Igbo brothers and my South brothers, they like to marry virgin. So you need to be a virgin back. That is the cocoa of this thing. So you don't need to lie. You tell the man you are a virgin and you are a virgin for real. You are a virgin for real. There's no lie about it. But let's start with one of the disadvantages, some of the things we use. I'm not advertising any product. This is baby wipe. So let me remove one. This is baby wipe, and it contains chemical. And some people feel is maybe they have money, they want to show up that they are not poor, they are not this. They use this to always use it to be wiping their down below. It's very, very wrong. Go and ask. Research about it. This thing contains chemical and it's killing the bacteria that is protecting your punana. So stop using this thing to clean your down below. Please, if you poo-poo, carry water, clean your bum like this. Carry tissue, wipe it like this. Don't wipe it down like this. What I'm trying to say, don't wipe it like this. You understand? Wipe it up. Tissue, not wipe. Wipe contains chemical, and we have bacteria there. There are good bacteria and there are bad bacteria. This one will go and kill all the bacteria there because it contains chemical. Just wash your punana with water and you're good to go. It's not pride. Stop it. And you know, when women give birth, yes, our mothers will come, all those people from the village will come. There are things they will do. You see them doing. They are doing it from experience. These people, they know this thing. Another one is salt. This is salt. You know salt. Any salt, local salt, market salt, supermarket salt. You carry salt. You boil hot water. The water will be very hot. Okay, hot. Okay, hot. You now put the salt inside the hot water, inside a bowl. Let's assume the bowl is here like this. Sorry. This is the bowl. Is here and there's hot water. Then you now sit on, not inside the hot water. Oh. You now sit on the hot water. That hotness, the hotness will be making the punana to be shrinking. Our mothers do it to making the punana to be shrinking, So you sit on it maybe 30 minutes every day. So women do it for the first 1 month when they give birth, and you notice that the thing will shrink back. But if you leave your own to just become gold post, act to why? See, there's nothing you can do. Once you miss it, you miss it. Yes, if you miss it, you miss it. And this one is the ogbonge of it all. This is, I don't know what they call this, but it's in the family of clove. If you go to where they sell pepper soup spice, those Igbo women that sells ugu, egusi, and the rest in the market, or you see some in Abuja here, you see like the baggy women, just ask them that you need pepper soup spice. This one, when I'm editing, I'll put the picture. It's very nice. They use it to cook pepper soup and everything. They will give you this. You do it in 2 ways. It's either you put it, I actually have to put this so that you see how it looks. I have to put it in the water overnight so that you see how it looks like. It's either you put it inside the water for 24 hours and you use it to wash the down below. Once you wash, you use water to clean it. This is one way, and you drink part of it. It's very medicinal. You drink part of it. It washes away, I don't know what, a bad system. Mr. Kamarama, what does it wash again? Like bad blood. Yes, people, you are following me. My cameraman is confused because he does not know what this guy is doing. So it washes it away. You just take it. This, when you soak it, this is how the color will come to be like light coke or something. This is like, I have to soak this overnight so that I will show you people. Then the other one, which I know our mothers do, which is like this one, they will boil it. It's the same process with the salt. They will boil it. Then when they boil it, you sit on it. The same sitting, I'm not explaining again. You sit on it for 30 minutes a day. 30 minutes first thing in the morning, and 30 minutes in the morning. But this is done when a woman gives birth. But now we now went and did some discovery, and we discovered that if a woman that gives birth can use this and the thing can shrink. That's why I say that most women after giving birth, when they want to do with their husband, especially those that go to treatment, when they want to do with their husband the first time again, to not be as if they are virgins, it is always very painful because they did this thing well and they did it well. So for you, the babes, I'm not saying, yes, for all I've seen, I've come short of the glory of God. You fornicated, I know, we know. You fornicated, and that place of punana, it has widened, it has river-like. Do you understand? So if you do this process, I'm telling you that that place will close. But if you close, don't go and fornicate. I'm using God's name to beg you. Don't fornicate. So when that place closed, you now go for December now. That guy now say, he wants to marry virgin. Just go and tell your mother, I'll be virgin. No, tell that guy, say I'll be virgin. And true, when the guy marry you now, because when he come December, they say he be virgin. That December, he go propose. January or February or Easter, in they come marry. Imagine you're doing this before you come. The thing will just close, and the guy will come marry. See, this our December where they come, no take class. No take class. Our December, all we go. And guess what? This thing is very cheap. This goes for like 15 naira, less than 50 cents. Do you understand? Because $1 is like 500 and something. So with $1 you can get 10 of these. So it's very cheap. This goes for 15 naira. This is like 200 naira here. I have it in my house because we are always using it to cook. It's for pepper soup. We even put it in akamu, and we put it in zobo. We put it in, it's just a spice you use every day. Just that I just want to bring this knowledge to you guys. You cannot don't go and do surgery. They don't do surgery in that place. This is the natural way. That's why I say that our fathers, they permit. So this is the knowledge I'm bringing to you guys, especially this thing. If you can boil it every morning and be sitting on it, sit on it, see, that place will close. It will close. And this December, you must marry. See, you must marry. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you love today's video, please give us a thumbs up, click notification button, comment, send me a friend request, please. And I have a membership. Please just join my membership for a little token. You see the category, there are 4 categories there. Please just join my membership. And I also have a PayPal account. Please just help your sister. See, I'm not ashamed to beg. If celebrities are begging, Me, I'm begging, please just join my membership, help my ministry so that I'll be doing more content, I'll be giving you guys more videos, and I'll be educating you guys too. My name is Patt Eyaba. I'm a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria. Take care and Merry Christmas in advance.